In the next 5 episodes, including this one, we are going to discuss family and relationships. In this episode, we will first discuss from parents' perspective on how to bond with your teenage child. Some tips and signposts, some of which are from my own experiences. In the second part, we will understand what our teenagers think and want. As a mother of a teenager son, I firmly believe that our teenagers deserve to be heard. After all, it takes 2 to quarrel and 2 to marry. Let's dive in. Second, do the right thing. Regardless of how many tantrums your teenager throws at you, as a parent, it is your responsibility to do the right thing. Our children are growing up. Teenage years make them feel like a superhero who does good as well as right. They do. Our teenagers are certainly our little superheroes. But like in the movies or comic books, even a superhero needs a guru, a teacher. That guru in real life is the parents. Parenting is not an easy job at all. And when you are a parent to a teenager, well, the job sure gets harder. That is why it is pertinent to bond with your teen by presenting the right example. And how can you do that? By doing the right thing. Now this is the section Bond with your parents, Teens Corner. To make a rainbow, it has to have 2 ends. Bonding with your teenager is as important for a parent as it is important for the teenager to understand his or her parent. The equation has to be sought and balanced. That is why this corner is dedicated to you, dear teenager, so that you learn the value of family early on. Here is the first signpost for you to understand how parents' mindset works. Third is listening. Dalai Lama says, if you talk, you know what you already know. But if you listen, you may learn a thing or two. I wish I had practiced the virtue of listening when I was a teenager. I did not, and now I see the value of it. Now I practice listening. Work on this specific skill. You may think that your father talking about history or a specific book is worthless, but it helps build knowledge. These teenage years will pass, but the skills and learning you gain now will become wisdom later.